Artistic texture becomes impactful when contrast and placement work together. Today, how to design textured speckle art. Open Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a soft off-white background. Add a new black-filled layer and generate noise at about 70% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright particles and change blend mode to multiply so speckles appear dark. Reduce opacity to around 60%. Duplicate the layer and blur it slightly so some particles feel embedded. Add a mask and remove texture from the central area to create visual focus. Introduce a subtle color overlay using hue